Hello guys, what is up? It's my Christmas Day bike check. I did promise one. Got a white AO5 with RockShox Recons, and I'm going to be taking you all through my bike. So first of all, I got it from Evans in the UK. Great place to buy bikes. I do recommend. Really good. It's a white, and they're built in the UK and built for UK conditions, so they really can stand up to all the mud and grime. Let's start with the wheels. Okay, I have got Alex rims double wall, lace 2A, white hub. Show you that real quick. White hub with Mountain King 2.2 tyres. I have just got white disc brakes. They are just standard white, linked to hydraulic cables, also by White. I've got the lovely frame with massive clearances, so all that, so the water and all that can drain off down there. Beautiful, absolutely amazing. This frame is a small frame because medium's just too big, but I'm not the biggest guy in the world. Got same on the front, white hub, and now I'll go on to the forks and what I really think of these. Right, these are RockShox Recons, and with 100mm rise. They have a unremote lockout, so turn lockout, and they have a coil spring over here. And they have the rebound just there. You can turn these to adjust the speed the fork comes back at. Now onto the gears and the group set. I've got the Shimano Alveo group set. Apart from it's got like different brakes. Got Haynes brakes. I've got the same chain set, Shimano Alveo. That is 3 rings. You can see down there, really nice, really crisp. It came with these awful pedals, which I've just been out on, and they're awful. Everything about them. Might put them on my road bike because they were clip-ons, but apart from that, shit. Another thing with the white, they don't miss out any detail. I mean, that has got the Union Jack right in the seat post. So yeah, I got just a custom white seat finish on there. I have been out and I tried out my new goggles, which were in my other video, and they're very good at keeping out mist, but not very good at keeping out sweat. That concludes my bike check. If you want any really big reviews, then just let me know and I'll tell you. Bye.